Meaning of flared trousers.
Flared trousers.
Flared trousers.
Flared trousers.
Flared trousers. Flared trousers refer to pants that are fitted at the waist and hips and gradually widen towards the bottom of the leg, creating a flared or bell-bottom shape. This style of trousers was popular in the 1960s and 1970s and has experienced a resurgence in recent years. Flared trousers can be made from a variety of materials such as denim, corduroy, or polyester and can be worn in both casual and formal settings. They are often paired with platform shoes or boots to accentuate their wide-legged silhouette.